How to mix the ratio for high-yield Killzall Super Concentrate Weed Grass Killer. High-yield Killzall Concentrate is a non-selective, post-emergent herbicide for lawn and garden renovation or spot treatment of annual and perennial weeds. The active ingredient is 41% glyphosate, which translocates through the plant from the foliage to the roots and kills the plants and its roots. Best results are obtained when the temperature is above 60 degrees Fahrenheit, weeds are actively growing and the winds are calm. Generally, mornings and evenings have more calm winds to prevent drift of the herbicide to desirable plants. Things you will need: 1 gallon garden sprayer, measuring spoon, hose and sprayer, garden hose, garden sprayer. Turn the lid on a garden sprayer counterclockwise and lift it straight off the sprayer tank. Add water from a garden hose to the tank to fill it about halfway. Measure 3 tablespoons of high-yield Killzall concentrate and pour it into the tank. Pick up the sprayer tank in one hand. Swirl the contents to mix it thoroughly as you fill the tank up to the 1 gallon mark. Replace the lid and pump the top handle up and down to pressurize the herbicide contents. Spray unwanted weeds and grass until they are thoroughly wet with the solution. Hose and sprayer. Open the top of the hose and sprayer by turning it counterclockwise. Remove the top. Measure 3 tablespoons of high-yield Killzall concentrate and pour it into the sprayer. Replace the top of the hose and sprayer and turn it clockwise to seal it. Turn the dial on top of the sprayer to 1.5 ounces. The concentrate will mix with water from a garden hose at the rate of 1.5 ounces per gallon. Screw a garden hose onto the sprayer. Turn the garden hose on, squeeze the trigger and spot treat weeds until they are thoroughly wet with the herbicide. Tips warnings. Reapply the product if it rains within 24 hours of application. Glyphosate must dry completely on weeds in order to kill them. Make a second application if the weeds are not dead in 4 weeks. Annual weeds start turning brown within 2 to 4 days. Perennials start dying in 7 to 10 days. Cool and cloudy weather delays the wilting and dying process. Ornamentals and flowers can be planted 1 day after treatment in beds. Vegetables can be planted 3 days after application. Wait 7 days after using Killzall to plant small fruits and berries and 21 days before planting fruit and nut trees and grapevines. If glyphosate overspray lands on a plant that you want to keep accidentally, spray the plant immediately with ample amounts of water from a garden hose to wash it off.